Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to check if someone is spying on your phone. If you suspect someone might be spying on your smartphone, there are several key warning signs to watch out for. Spyware often hides in plain sight, but subtle changes in your phone's performance and data use can reveal what's going on. The first sign is increased data usage. If you notice sudden spikes in your mobile data usage, that could mean someone is monitoring your device. Spy apps typically use your network to send collected information elsewhere. Secondly, and to check your data usage, open the Settings app on your phone. Go to Network and Internet, then select App Data Usage to view which apps are consuming data. Look for apps using an unusually large amount of data, especially ones you don't recognize. Secondly, unusual activity on linked accounts like Google, Facebook, iCloud, etc. Unexpected logins or changes on your connected accounts can indicate that someone has gained unauthorized access. For iPhone users, spyware can exploit iCloud vulnerabilities to pull data or access other linked accounts. Immediately change your passwords and review login activity and connected devices on your account. Enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Thirdly, you see weird pop-ups. Receiving strange pop-ups or fake virus alerts could mean your phone has adware or malware. These messages often mimic real system alerts to trick you into clicking links or downloading malicious files. Avoid interacting with any unfamiliar pop-ups and use a trusted security app to scan for malwares. And finally, slower phone performance. If your phone is suddenly lagging, freezing or overheating, spyware could be draining your resources. In the background, even newer phones can slow down when surveillance apps directly record data, track location or capture activity. So, a pro tip, restart your phone in safe mode. If it performs normally there, you might have a malicious app installed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.